Now, that is one strong joint. It's not the nicest looking, but it works. It's only being held up on that side and on that side. That's 9 meters. And the whole span, this is loose now, it's all being held up on that side and on that side. Now, when I put it together in the frame, it's not going to be, it's going to have a lot more support. You're going to have a post coming here, you're going to have another brace there, another brace there, so it's going to be solid. But as far as joints go, I think that's better than the first scarf joint I did. Obviously the first one was a bit neater, but I think this is a bit stronger. It seems to be a bit stronger. Yeah, it's looking sweet. It just needs a bit of cleaning up. You see there's 2 different levels. I'm going to plane it down to get it nice and flush. But it looks nice. It looks nice. I'm proud. I'm happy. Okay, so I'm gonna stick it back on the trestles just so that I don't mess about, because I'm a bit that's taken a lot of strength. That it's not very thick. Yeah, it's holding all that weight, which is quite impressive. So okay, I'm going to carry on. I've got one more socket to do, and then I'm actually going to get my workshop ready. And Wednesday the guys come in to take all the stuff. It's Monday today. I think I said this in the last video, but now it's true. This is the last joint I'm cutting in the whole project, besides for the sill plates, which I'm going to be doing on site. Tomorrow the guys coming to collect the stuff. I've got one brace pocket to cut here, and that is the last thing I'm cutting, which is quite mental. So that timber that I cut, that is the last piece. It's all done. I've got the brace in, test fitted it, it's all fine, it's all square up to that post there. So I've got my dad's van here, and I'm gonna start schlepping all the little stuff. I've got a flatbed coming for the big stuff tomorrow, but I pay him for the time. So I prefer to get as much done today, so I don't have to keep him for long.
You're one of those.
I've got all the little pieces in. I'm going to leave all the long stuff for the flatbed, for the wagon tomorrow, because it's a long wagon. And I'm just going to go now to the site, at least get most of the stuff there. I've asked my nephew to come help me some timber. He's getting all excited. He thought I meant some small pieces. So this is the site. We've had some bad weather, so it's just filled up with leaves and whatever. We're going to clean it up tomorrow, or whenever I start. I think I'm going to do it next week. But yeah, here you see the site. Nice 9-meter long concrete slab, already been poured, waiting for me. This is the angled section. These are all my floor sills, and one thing I'm really happy about is that I made this trolley with these big quad bike wheels, because coming into this garden here, it just flows over everything. Okay, I'm going to get the van emptied now, stick it all on the side here, and ready for the wagon tomorrow. Got the wagon here today. This is the final stuff. So we've got old timber here. These are the top pieces here. I'm going to try and keep out of the way, but all these timbers here, we're just gonna arrange them now. It's Wednesday today. I'm going to come back on Monday and sort it all out. All these sill plates here, I'm going to put them around, and then next week we're gonna start building. Good morning. This is the first morning I'm actually working on the cabin on site. Got all my stuff laid out, got a load of gear, got all my tools. I've just laid out this first timber. This concrete slab has not been poured very right. Like, it's 5 meters from end to end, but then cut a bit short here. And then it happens again down there, which is not very good. So I'm just going to get the front straight, and I'm just going to work off the back. And in the worst case, the cabin, the outside parts, which are these fridge panels, these are what the walls are going to be cladded with. See, that's the roof. Those are the roof panels, and then these are the wall ones. So they're going to have to just overlap a little bit on the outside, but it's not my fault. I bought these bolts. Bought them from Screwfix. Cost me 110 quid for 25 bolts, which is pretty dear. So I just need to drill an 8mm hole and just screw them in. I'm going to do that now. Okay, that's the first sill plate in. It's solid. Once the frame's in, then I might come back in and put some more. I was gonna half lap all the corners, but I think I might just butt joint them together, seeing as it's not holding anything, it's just for the frame to sit on. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sill plates installed. That back corner there, which is an angled, the angled beam, I'm going to leave to last. This next one I'm doing here is twisted like it's bent like a banana. So I'm just cutting down here, you see, with the string line. I just made a line. I'm just going to cut a bit of a flat edge. I'm not planing it. And then meanwhile, we're just setting up this this gazebo. Well, I say we. I'm just watching and filming. So.
Yeah. What side that?
Yeah, you need to get that side.
Oh.
Hi, it's my second day back here. Yesterday I got most of the sill plates done. See, there's all these sill plates, nice and bolted down to the ground. It's a very windy day today, so I really hope it doesn't disturb the sound. If so, I do apologise. But I've got this back sill plate here to install, and this slanty one here, you can see the concrete slanty, and then that one. So I didn't want to do a weird cut like I did on the top beam. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put, like I put this in place, that's in the right place. That dark one there, that's in the right place. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to put this big one down and take a drawing off that. So as you can see here, got this line here, that's where this timber needs, the outside of this can't go past this corner. Just bang, put it there, and then so I butt it up to that marking, get that marking there, and then same on the underneath. And then do the same on the other side, and then I'll show you once it's done. spins out the way. Hey, open the gate. Well, that's it for part 5. Thank you all so much for watching. If you want to watch the next and best part, which will be raising the frame, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon so you get notified when I upload my next video. And to all those that are already subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed it, and thank you again.